No one's gonna be able to tell you nothing. Hey everyone, it's Princess Asura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to make your skin look and feel baby soft. I get told that my skin looks soft, or I get told that my skin is soft. And I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So the first thing that is key to making your skin feel soft is exfoliation. Now, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite products that I like to use to make my skin feel absolutely soft. The first thing is the Calgon Mineral Scrub. I love this so much. This is the first kind of like scrub that I actually used ever in my life. And I fell in love with how soft it made my skin feel. Like, I felt like a brand new person when I used this, and I loved putting everybody on to this mineral scrub. So it is pretty abrasive. It's not like, yeah, so it's not good for sensitive skin, I'd say. If your skin is very sensitive, you can't handle like those rough textured scrubs, then this one might not be a good one. But I feel like when they are pretty rough, that's what makes it more effective. It makes your skin feel even more soft. When you use gentle scrubs, it could make your skin feel soft, but maybe not as soft as if you were to use like a more abrasive type of scrub. Or exfoliating product. Doesn't have to be a scrub. Next is Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrubs. This one is the Coco Colada one, but of course you don't have to get this one in particular. You can get any other scent. But this is just the one I'm demonstrating today. But we don't have Tree Hut scrubs in Canada, so I recently tried them last year and I fell in love with them. I absolutely understand the hype. I understand why everyone always raves about Tree Hut scrubs, because they're amazing. It made my skin feel so soft the first time I used it, and I was like, this is great. But if you are Canadian and you're not going to cross the border or whatever the case may be to get Tree Hut scrubs, it's okay. You can still use the Calgon Mineral Scrub. That one will still make your skin absolutely soft. This is no better than any product that you can get here. But the only thing that might be a little bit better is the scent choices, because they have like a variety of scents, and with scrubs that I have seen in Canada, they don't really have all those different types of scents. So that's the only thing. But in terms of making your skin soft, there's other products here that can do that. Next is First Aid Beauty's KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I use this on my legs because I have strawberry legs, so I'm trying to get rid of that. So I started using this, but it makes my skin feel so soft. Like, I love it so much. If it wasn't so expensive, I would just buy it all the time just to use it, but I don't have money like that, so that's not happening. But if you do end up using this because you have KP, strawberry legs, anything like that, I heard it also works for acne too, so I've heard a lot of people say that it worked for their acne too. So if you have anything like that, and you end up using this product, it will make your skin absolutely soft. And if you do have money like that and you just want your skin to be absolutely soft, then I recommend this one. This is a nice one if you have that kind of money to just use it, The next scrub that I don't have physically, because I want to use up some of the scrubs that I have right now before I go and buy this one again. But I will be buying that one soon, so I'm excited, looking forward to it. It's the Shea Moisture Illuminating Hand and Body Scrub. I love this scrub. I love it. I love it so much. I was so happy that I discovered it and I just wanted to try it because I saw it in stores and I was like, let me try it. Like, it's probably good. Let's see how it works. I never ever seen anyone talk about it, so I was like, oh, let me just try it for myself. So I did, and it made my skin feel absolutely soft. That was the second product that I bought. So it was the mineral scrub by Calgon, and then after I used that one, I then tried the Shea Moisture one. And the Shea Moisture one, I found that it made my skin even softer, and on top of that, it made my skin feel nice and moisturized, and it gave me like a nice glow. So I recommend that scrub. That scrub is amazing and it smells amazing. The last exfoliating product that I recommend are exfoliating gloves. These are amazing. So if you don't like using scrubs, you don't want to, you don't have one, whatever the case may be, exfoliating gloves are amazing. They will leave your skin feeling absolutely soft. You just use whatever body wash you have, put on these gloves, and scrub away, and then you'll be good to go. And then I recommend this Aveeno shower and bath oil. I stumbled across this in the store and I saw it. It was the last one, so I was like, maybe it's good. And I never had like an in-shower bath oil or anything like that. So I was like, let me just try it. And I tried it. I was like, what's the hype about? And there definitely was a hype about it. It's that girl. I literally, in the shower, I don't use it as soap. No. This is not soap, girl. This is not soap. After I'm done, actually cleaning my body, the last step I do is I will pour this in my hand. I do not put it on nothing. I pour it in my hand and I just rub it all over my body. Wash it off. Get out of the shower and you're good to go. You feel absolutely soft. If you pair it with the exfoliating products in that same shower, I don't know, you're just gonna feel like, I don't know, you're just gonna feel like a cloud or something. You're just gonna feel amazing. But this is a good option on the days that you don't exfoliate, because you can't exfoliate every day. It's gonna be over exfoliation. But if you want to exfoliate every day because you feel like it works good for your skin, then go ahead. But I don't recommend it personally. But if you're okay with doing that every day, then sure. But for the people that don't exfoliate every day and you want to feel soft and everything, this is a good product to use. It's a good product. It's a good product. The only thing is that it has like this plastic smell. It almost smells like a Barbie doll. Plastic, I guess. Something like that. It just smells like plastic. I don't know. But it's not like super strong, and it doesn't, like, the scent doesn't stay on your body after the shower, because I tested it out, because I said I do not want to walk around smelling like plastic. No. So that's the only thing. It just smells like, the smell's just a little bit weird to me, but other than that, it's still a really nice product. Also, this is just my preference, but in order for me to feel like my skin is absolutely the softest it could ever be, I like to shave. If you like to wax, then you can wax. If you don't want to shave at all, you want to keep your body hair, then you do that. But this is my preference. I like to shave. I'm actually afraid to get a wax. I know it's like there's benefits to getting waxes, but I'm afraid. I don't like pain, so thanks. But I like to shave. And what I like to shave with is this Chic, I think that's the brand name, Chic Intuition razor. I will put a picture on the screen because I don't have it in my hand physically right now. But that's my favorite razor to use. And you don't have to use any shaving cream or anything like that with this razor, because it comes with, like, it's giving soap. I think it's soap. It's like some soap like around the blades, so you don't have to actually use anything with it if you don't want to. Of course, you still can if you feel like it's necessary for you, but for me, I don't use it, and it's like, it glides so smoothly on my skin. It gives me a nice, smooth, and close shave. It's like the best thing ever. I love shaving with this razor. So that's what I used, and I feel like you guys should try the Intuition razor. razor. Try the Intuition razor because it's a game changer. And lastly, I like to use oils outside of the shower. Here are some of the oils that I like to use. So I have 2 of them here that I want to show you. These are just a couple of the few that I have. So we have the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Body Firmeza oil. This is that 62 scent. So it smells really good. It smells warm, sweet, gourmand. Yes, that's what it smells like. It smells like a yes. So I love using this because it does make my skin feel absolutely soft, especially after that nice shower that you just took. And then you put this on your skin, especially after you shave and everything like that. You put this on your skin, even this too, both of them, any oil. Well, maybe not any, I don't know. But these are 2 that I know will make your skin feel soft. So you put on this oil, you're just like, you're just gonna be like that girl or guy if you want to smell soft or feel soft too. That everybody, if anybody wants to feel soft, you put on this oil or this oil after that shower, especially on a day that you exfoliated. Yes, you're gonna feel like yes, okay? You're gonna feel like yes. So we use the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum oil. This is a really nice oil. I purchased this more than once because it's just that girl, guys. It's just that girl. Like, just trust me. And then you could use the Victoria's Secret Coconut Milk and Rose conditioning body oil. There's other ones. I have like a pomegranate and lotus one. So that one's good too. Well, any of the conditioning body oils, because they're just the same. It just depends on whatever scent you want to use that they have. Whatever scent, just as long as it's the conditioning body oil, you're gonna love how your skin feels. You're gonna love it. And it's gonna smell good too. It's gonna smell good too. No one's gonna be able to tell you nothing if you exfoliate, you shave, you use that Aveeno bath oil, or if you don't, you just use this. Well, I still will put on oil after that Aveeno bath oil. I'm not using that as like a in shower lotion type of thing, or in shower oil and then I don't oil my skin after that. No, I will still slap on oil after that. So after you use the Aveeno in the shower bath oil, shower and bath oil, and then you go and put on the conditioning body oil or the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Firmeza oil, no one's gonna be able to tell you nothing. Nobody, and I'm telling you that. That is it for the routine. That is it. That's all you need. That's all you need. And you're gonna be a walking baby. A walking grown baby, okay? You're gonna be a grown baby. With your smooth, soft looking, soft feeling skin. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found these tips helpful. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.